Now I'll show you how to populate your agenda with the content sessions of interest. So all you need to do is from the drop down menu, go to your agenda. So what will start to happen is once you start to accept meetings and once you start to join the different content sessions, this will start to populate in your calendar. And whatever you put in your calendar here will be printed at the back of your badge, so you know what you need to do at what time when you are at the event. Now, to join a session, all you have to do is go here, go to register for a session, and it'll take you to the program. And then, of course, this is just a test, but you'll see all the different content sessions, and all you have to do is press register. Once you press register, again, it will block it out in your calendar, so you cannot have a meeting at the same time. Equally, if you have a meeting, you will not be able to join that content session. So yeah, that's very much how you do it.